Hello again guys, in this quick video let us discuss how to delete Instagram account permanently. But before that, make sure that you are connected to the internet. And this feature of deleting Instagram account is not applicable using your Instagram application. Instead, we will make or do this process by using our web browser. Okay, let's start. Just open your web browser and then here in the URL address, just type instagram.com/accounts/remove/request/permanently. Then after that, or permanent. Then after that, type or press enter or go to that link. And then as you can see here, there are options here that you need to choose the reasons why do you want to delete your account. Just choose here your reason. Just for example, we will choose this concerned about my data. Then it will ask you to enter your password. Just type your password here. And then after that, if you continue, your profile and account details will be deleted on February 11 and you won't be visible in Instagram between now and then. Then if you wish to delete your account, then tap this button. Okay, delete account, and then there is a notification or message if you are sure that you want to delete your account. Then if you are sure, then tap this OK button. Okay, that's it guys. I hope this video helps you a lot, and keep following and subscribe this channel for more video tips. Thank you guys.